National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a set of minimum safety requirements for electrical installations. It is intended to ensure that electrical systems are installed in a manner that protects people and property from electrical hazards. While workmanship is an important aspect of any electrical installation, it is not a requirement that can be effectively enforced through a code. There are several reasons for excluding workmanship from the NEC. Firstly, subjectivity. Neatness and workmanship are subjective concepts that can vary widely from one individual to another. Establishing objective criteria for workmanship would be difficult and would likely lead to disputes. Secondly, enforcement. Enforcing workmanship standards would require extensive inspections and could lead to arbitrary or inconsistent judgments. This could create a burden on both inspectors and contractors. Thirdly, focus on safety. The NEC primary focus is on ensuring safety. Workmanship, while important, is not directly related to safety and can vary without compromising the safety of an installation. Fourthly, education and training. The responsibility for proper workmanship lies with the electrician performing the work and the company or organization they represent. The NEC provides general guidance on proper installation practices, but it is not intended to replace specific training or industry standards. There are consequences of lack of workmanship guidelines in the NEC. Firstly, variable quality of installations. The absence of specific workmanship guidelines in the NEC can lead to inconsistent and varying quality of electrical installations. Secondly, potential safety issues. While workmanship does not directly impact safety, poor workmanship can contribute to electrical problems such as loose connections, overheating, and damage to equipment. Thirdly, customer dissatisfaction. Customers may be disappointed with the appearance or quality of an electrical installation that does not meet their expectations for neatness and workmanship. There are alternative approaches to ensuring workmanship. Firstly, industry standards. Professional organizations and unions often develop their own workmanship standards that members are expected to adhere to. Secondly, company policies. Electrical contractors should establish their own quality control measures and policies to ensure that their work meets high standards of workmanship. Thirdly, inspection programs. Local jurisdictions may have inspection programs that can provide feedback on workmanship and identify any deficiencies. Fourthly, education and training. Ongoing education and training can help electricians improve their skills and maintain high standards of workmanship. It is important to note that while the NEC does not include specific workmanship guidelines, it does emphasize the importance of proper installation practices and compliance with the code requirements. Electricians should always strive to perform their work in a neat and workmanlike manner, regardless of whether or not it is explicitly required by the code.